Hey cooks, we're back with coloring Easter eggs. Here. Here's the things you're gonna need. You're gonna need your egg dipper, your dye tablets, a plastic cup, a tablespoon, some white distilled vinegar, a measuring cup. Then we're gonna take our tablespoon and add 1 tablespoon of vinegar to your plastic cup. Then we're gonna take one of our dye tablets and drop it in the cup. It takes about 3 minutes to dissolve. After that, we're gonna take our measuring cup and add a half a cup of water into our clear plastic cup. Then we're gonna take our egg dipper, give it a bend, and we'll place an egg on that, and we'll slowly lower it into the plastic cup. If your eggs are a little bit larger, you can add a little more water to your mixture. Once you have your eggs in your dye, it takes about 5 minutes to get a good dye. Remember, the longer you have the egg in there, the darker your dye will be. Once the time's up, you can use your egg dipper to slowly pull out the egg. And once you have the egg pulled out, then you can put it onto your tray for drying. After that, then you can use your egg holder, so you have a nice stand to finish decorating your egg if you desire. And thank you for watching. I'll leave an affiliate link below in case you're interested in anything I reviewed today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell your friends. And stay tuned for another episode of Hey Cooks!